Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review how to do a slip knot. I'm using this yarn, Bernat Blanket Big. It's the yarn that you see in all of my videos. And the first step, as I've already done, is unraveling some of our yarn. A couple terms to note before we get started is that this here is called the tail end of the yarn. Anything attached to the ball of yarn is called the working yarn. So we'll be working today with the tail end and the working end of the yarn. Our first step is to pick up the yarn and make a loop. So I'm holding the tail end of my yarn in my left hand and the working end of my yarn in my right hand. I'm going to take the working end of my yarn, cross it over the tail, and make a loop. I'm pinching the loop with my thumb and fingers, and I'm going to again take the working end of my yarn and push it up through the back of the loop. I hold on to it with my right hand, and I now have the tail end and the working end of my yarn side by side. I pull on the tail end of my yarn to make a knot, and I now have my slip knot. So let's review that one more time. I'm gonna undo my knot, tail end, working end. I place the working end of my yarn over top of my tail end to make a loop. I'm pinching my loop. I take the working end of my yarn and push it up through the back of my loop. And now I have a new loop. Holding the new loop with my right hand, and I have now the tail end and the working end of my yarn in my left hand. I'm going to pull on the tail end of my yarn to make a knot. This slip knot would be too big for my project. I want mine to be about 2 finger widths in size, and right now it's 4. So the reason it's called a slip knot is because you can hold on to the knot and slip the yarn through the knot. It's adjustable. So I can slip the yarn as much as I want through the knot to find my perfect size. So like I said, I want mine about 2 finger widths in size. So I'm happy with that. So now I have the perfect slip knot to start my project. In the next video, we're going to review how to do the foundation chain, or how to start our blanket. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for later so you don't miss another video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.